Ayo, what's up? So listen here. I made 3 really cool videos, but my phone crashed to pieces. The bad thing is that the videos were in my phone, so my phone is dead as well as the videos rip. Anyways, I will still show you what those videos were about. Oh, and by the way, do you like my new editing style? The materials are paints, brushes, scrap papers, and inspiration. To make this art, the steps are pretty simple and self-explanatory, and I hope I don't delete this video. The first thing is to water down your pages and then paint it. I painted one page blue and the other with purple, but be sure to add the stroke effect. I also added some flowers because I like being extra. Now cut some scrap paper. I am using one scrunched up paper and the other flat brown paper. I'm just using some paints just to add strokes as I am trying to follow the Pinterest art journal picture. Oh, and I forgot to add this step, but you can add some of your favorite quotes, but I decided to stick to the quote that was in the picture. Now check where to position the scraps, but don't stick them yet because we still have one more step left. And that step is to add white lines. And now finally, for the moment you've been waiting for so impatiently, is to stick the scrap paper. Yes, I am aware that I stick the second scrap the wrong side, ha 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 ha. I swear this voice is so weird, but oh well. And bam. I know this is not the best because the better content was deleted. I hope you enjoyed this video and also this extremely strange but cool voiceover.